Okay, last minute call. It's like 6 p.m. So I got about almost 2 hours of sunlight, and I should definitely be rushing out there and not filming this. But I'm gonna go surfing, of course. I'm gonna be longboarding this time, okay? Not that. That was yesterday, last night, last session. I'm gonna be longboarding the novelty wave. It should be pretty big, but I don't know, I just have a feeling I should go. And so I'm going. The longboard, this thing's already waxed up from my previous session, or yeah, I didn't go, but whatever. Alright, see you guys out there. We made it. It's a very windy and hard bike ride. We finally made it here. And it looks like our friend is here. And I don't know, hopefully it's fun. It's very windy, but you know, south wind. Maybe I'll get a full ride all the way to the bridge. So let's go. This is unknown territory for me. Woo! Oh my God. I just got wrapped in sorry. I just got wrapped in fishing line.
necked by freaking Pokemon. Okay, I'm at a new spot. Still can't believe that wrapped around my neck. That was pretty scary, honestly. But I'm at a new spot. Had to get away from that. Holy Spirit told me so. Can't risk that. I don't want to fight them.